southwestern North Carolina until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Murphy, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murphy, Hayesville, Marble, and Brasstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.